Bonjour à tous. Hello and welcome everybody for our second lesson of this complete free French course for beginners on our YouTube channel. Today I'm very excited. Look, today we're gonna learn how we can ask how are you in French and how we can answer of that question in a very simple and natural way. Even if we are just starting to learn, don't worry, I'll speak slowly. I'll explain everything in English. Make sure you have something to write. Let's go. C'est parti, on attaque. Right. So if in French you want to ask how's it going, how the things are going, how are you? In informal context, you can ask comment ça va? Comment ça va? That means how are you? How it's going. We have another very informal way to ask ça va? Ça va? You good? You okay? If you want to ask in a formal setting or in plural, you can ask comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? That means how are you? But you should remember that should be used in a very formal context. All right. Well, in French, we use different versions depending on the situation, informal with friends or formal with people you don't know well. Okay, now here I'm going to tell again all these pronunciations. Okay, you can repeat after me. You can write in your cahier. You can write in your notebook, and well, you can practice. So here first we have comment ça va, comment ça va. The second one we did was ça va, ça va, and the third one was comment allez-vous, comment allez-vous. Here I have just given you the pronunciation, how we can well pronounce these three questions. And in fluent way, you can ask, comment ça va? Ça va? Comment allez-vous? Okay. Well, easy, right? French is super facile. Okay, super, magnifique. Okay, now we will see how to answer these different type of question, right? So first we have is ça va bien, ça va bien, ça va bien. I'm fine. Très bien, merci. Très bien, merci. Very well, thanks. Next we have comme ci, comme ça, but in spoken we do not use this much. We can say bof, so. And the last we have ça ne va pas. Ça ne va pas. I'm not doing well. You can repeat after me. Répétez après moi. Ça va bien. Très bien, merci. Comme ci, comme ça. Or bof. Ça ne va pas. Well. Très bien. Well, now it's your turn. I'm going to ask you some questions and you're going to give me a reply. You can well give me your reply in the comment box as well, right? So my first question for you is, comment ça va? Comment ça va? Comment ça va? Question number 2, ça va? Ça va? And the last question for you is, comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? Très bien. Great. Now, always go to the Telegram group where you will find all the PDF that you can download, but also practice. You can write, you can record an audio, you can speak with the community exchange in French, in English, in your mother tongue. Just be part of our fantastic community. Don't forget to write the key sentences in your French cahier, in your French notebook, and wait for the next lesson, guys. Once again, clapping for you. Did a fantastic job. See you next time. Bye bye. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.